Today we're going to talk about how to connect your hearing devices to your iPhone. If you're wearing an Oticon or a ReSound hearing device, you'll connect them using the Bluetooth settings under your settings tab. So what you'll do is bring up your iPhone. So you'll click the settings button, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and then click on General and Accessibility, and then scroll down to your Made for iPhone hearing devices. When you get to the screen, open and close your battery doors. This will put your hearing devices in pairing mode. When your name appears, click on it, and then your phone will prompt you to pair your devices. And now you have the ability to make changes to volume and the programs, and your devices are connected to your iPhone. After that, any sound that comes from your phone will go directly to your hearing devices. So when you take a phone call, both of your hearing devices will pick up the ringing from the phone, and you answer the phone call like you normally would. So you click accept on your phone, and once the conversation begins, you want to keep your phone out so that the person that you're talking to can hear your voice also. Whenever you end the phone call, you just end like you normally would. And the same goes for any videos or YouTube videos, content that you listen to. As soon as you press play, the sound's going to go directly to your ears. To adjust the volume for your phone or for the call, you just adjust it on the side of your phone like you normally would for a phone call or for any media content. There are a couple of questions that are frequently asked, and one of them is, what happens if I have my phone connected to the Bluetooth in my car? And if that's the case for you, you then have the option of where you want the phone call to go. If you want it to go through the speakers in your car, you just click the button on your steering wheel. If you want the call to go through your hearing devices, you press the button on your phone. And once the conversation starts, you have the option to change the routing. You press on the speaker button on your phone, and then you can change it to be speakerphone, or if the person in the passenger seat wants to take the phone call, you can change it to go through the phone instead of the hearing devices. Another frequently asked question that we get is, what if somebody needs to make a phone call with my phone? And the easiest way to disconnect your devices is just to turn your Bluetooth off and then turn it back on whenever you get your phone back. In addition, one other issue that might come up is your devices might be paired to your phone, but sometimes they don't always connect the phone call. And if that happens, check your battery, because normally if the battery is not powerful enough, it'll actually disconnect from your phone so that your devices are still working to help you hear. The other option is to restart your phone, because normally that will cause them to resync with your devices. And if all else fails, just go back to the beginning of the video and go to your settings and reconnect them.